Got a 2007 Ford Expedition. Got to do an oil change on it. First thing I'm gonna do is reset the oil change required. Gonna take care of it first. Reset it. I'm gonna start up by turning the switch on. Hit your setup button. Until you get the oil off. Then hold the reset button. Well, where'd it go? Once you're to that, you're going to hold the reset button down until it resets. And after it resets, you're good to go. Turn your switch off. Now for the oil change. Now for the oil change itself, you need 7 quarts of 5W20 and a Motorcraft FL-820S oil filter. And you need a 13mm socket for the drain plug. And an oil filter wrench for the oil filter. The oil filter is located right here. The oil filter is located on the left driver's side on the front of the engine. And then your drain plug is back here in the very back. You'll take your 13mm socket, break that loose. While you let that drain, go ahead and change your oil filter. By the time you get done with that, this will be done. After your oil's done draining, put your drain plug back in. Draining, I changed my filter, but my camera quit recording for some reason. But it's changed, ready to go. Now we're gonna put our 7 quarts of oil in it. Now we got our oil here, setting, ready to go. We'll pour it in. funnel out. Put your cap back on. And that right there is how you change your oil in a 2007 Ford Expedition. It'll be the same on all Expeditions. But thanks for watching, guys. That's it.